Meditation Book Reading. Nature's Flow by teacher Myung. This poem is called City Dweller. The one whose long golden hair blows in the wind, the one who blinks his dark eyes without a word, even the one who sighs for he could not fulfill his will. Their departures would be instantaneous. In their solitude, people gaze upon the moon, sing songs, and recite poetry. When moonlight flows calmly, the city is full of lively people. They live happily without worries, bound to themselves, as well as life's trivialities which they have created. It is only when they are stuck with worries that they search for themselves. People live adapting to their environment, but there is a limit to what man can do. Even the ones we envy take their own lives in an instant. Without a clue, people live their lives in this world where they can neither laugh nor cry. Such is human life.